jeez. Lightning over there. And then over here, you can just see like the border of it. And it's like blue skies over here. It's so weird. It's like something from a painting. It's like a cartoon. It's so surreal. It doesn't even look real. Because there's like light. Look at that, it's so weird. It's moving. It's like a movie. Oh man, my car is being pelted by hail. It's not cool. It's like rocks. Oh my goodness. You can see them on my... Some of them are literally the size of ice cubes. Before, I think it was worse. Holy crap, they're so... I just bought an ice cap too because it's so freaking hot.